Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today I am going to explain you NCERT class 4th EVS chapter 3 A Day with Nandu. ए डे विद नंदू। ये स्टोरी एक एलिफेंट की है, नंदू की। कैसे एलिफेंट रहते हैं, क्या खाते हैं, कैसे वो एक दूसरे का ध्यान रखते हैं। लेट्स रीड। नंदू वेक्स अप। Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. For a few seconds, he was not sure where he was. It seems to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. Amma means Nandu ki mother. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. जब नंदू उठता है तो वो देखता है कि वो एलिफेंट्स के पैरों के बीच में, अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स के पैरों के बीच में बैठा है। The sun was overhead and it was getting hot. नानीमा ट्रम्पेट मेड a loud sound. नानीमा मीन्स मदर की, मदर को हम नानीमा बोलते हैं। नानीमा इज द ओल्डेस्ट इन दिस हर्ड ऑफ एलिफेंट्स। नानीमा सबसे पुरानी है। हर्ड एलिफेंट क्या होते हैं, वो हर्ड में रहते हैं, वो झुंड में रहते हैं और उस झुंड का एक लीडर होता है। इस झुंड का लीडर नानीमा है। शी स्टार्टेड मूविंग टूवर्ड द जंगल। The other female elephants saw her and started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. इसमें क्या होता है, नानीमा सबसे पहले आगे आगे चलती है और सारे एलिफेंट नानीमा को फॉलो करते हैं। As you can see in this picture, this is the picture of elephant herd. When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreaded out. Each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. After they had eaten, the herd moved toward the river. The baby elephant enjoyed playing in the water. The mother lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. जब वो जंगल में जाते हैं तो सारे एक दूसरे इधर उधर फैल जाते हैं और अपना फेवरेट खाना खाते हैं। जिसको जो लीव्स ट्विग्स पसंद हो वो वाला खाना खाता है। जब वो सब खा लेते हैं उसके बाद वो रिवर में जाते हैं पानी पीने के लिए। रिवर में जो मदर होती है वो वाटर में लेट डाउन कर देती है मड के पास और बेबी एलिफेंट एंजॉय करते हैं प्लेइंग इन द वाटर। Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. Their big ears also work like fans. The elephants flap this to keep themselves cool. एलिफेंट क्या करते हैं, एक दिन में 100 किलोग्राम लीव्स और ट्विग्स खा सकते हैं। वो ज़्यादा नहीं सोते, वो सिर्फ 2 से 4 घंटे ही सोते हैं और वो अपनी बॉडी को कूल रखने के लिए मड में रहते हैं और उनके जो ईयर्स हैं वो फैन का काम करते हैं। वो फ्लैप दिस टू कीप देमसेल्फ कूल। Find out some question related to this. Nandu is only 3 months old, but his weight is 200 kilogram. What is your weight, child? Children, write down your own weight. Can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? Suppose a child weight is 20 kg, so 10 children weight will equal to Nandu weight. Next, Nandu saw his brother and sister pulling each other's tails. He thought, I better not go near them. What if they fell on me? I'm still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. नंदू क्या सोचता है, उसके भाई बहन खेल रहे होते हैं ब्रदर सिस्टर पानी से। वो सोचता है मैं अभी छोटा हूँ, मुझे नहीं जाना चाहिए। अम्मा gently pushed Nandu towards the water. As if she was telling him to go and play, Nandu loved to play in the water. His cousins were already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. नंदू गीला हो जाता है. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. ऐसे एलिफेंट इंजॉय करते हैं. एलिफेंट के जो बेबी होते हैं वो इस तरह से एक दूसरे के ऊपर अपनी ट्रंक से पानी डाल के इंजॉय करते हैं. बिफोर सनसेट द हर्ड स्टार्टेड बैक टूवर्ड द जंगल. जैसे ही शाम होने लगती है जो हर्ड है एलिफेंट का वो जंगल की तरफ वापस आने लगता है. बाय देन नंदू वॉज वेरी टायर्ड. ही सेटल्ड हिमसेल्फ between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. You have read about Nandu and the elephant herd. An elephant herd has only females and baby elephant. Elephant के herd में सिर्फ females होती है और baby elephants होते हैं. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. जो एलिफेंट की हर्ड की जो ओल्डेस्ट मेंबर होती है फीमेल वो उसकी हेड होती है. A herd may have 10 to 12 females elephant and young ones. एक हर्ड में 10 से 12 एलिफेंट होते हैं और उनके बच्चे होते हैं. Male elephant live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that old. जो मेल एलिफेंट होते हैं वो हर्ड में सिर्फ 14 to 15 years old तक रहते हैं. उसके बाद वो उसको छोड़ देते हैं. नंदू को भी ऐसा करना पड़ेगा जब वो 14 to 15 years old हो जाएगा. Like elephants, some other animal also live together in groups. These animal groups are called herd. एनिमल क्या करते हैं वो लोग ग्रुप में रहते हैं. उस ग्रुप को बोलते हैं हम लोग हर्ड. Animals in the herd usually move around together searching for food. वो एक हर्ड में जाते हैं जिससे कि एक दूसरे को प्रोटेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं और फूड सर्च करते हैं, प्ले करते हैं. दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंस कैसे एनिमल्स हर्ड में रहते हैं. Now question answer related to this. If you were Nandu and you lived in a herd, what kind of thing would you do? I would play, dance, eat, fun with all members of my group. Children, write down your own answers. I am giving you just example. Question number 2. In the elephant herd, the oldest female elephant decides everything. Who takes decision in your family? My dad and mom take decision in my family. Nandu did things that he liked to do. If you could spend the whole day with your friends, what all would you do? I would like to do play, sing, dance, eat, tell and listen stories and have a lot of fun. Find out and write which other animal live in the herd. Deer, zebra, horse, cow, these animals live in herds. Do you also live in a group? Do you like to live together like that? Why would you like or not like to live in a group? Why I would like to live in a group? Why I would not like to live in a group? Children, आप लोग भी ग्रुप में रहते हो तो यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है जो चीज़ें आपको ग्रुप में रहने में अच्छी लगती है वो यहाँ पर लिखनी है. जो चीज़ें आपको ग्रुप में रहने में अच्छी नहीं लगती वो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. First is why I would like. We can help each other in a different task. Why I would not like? There is less or no privacy. We have people around us with whom we can play. We have to adjust ourselves. We feel more safe and secure in group. Food is required for each member in a group. This is the demerit. I don't like to live in a group. Have you ever taken a ride on an elephant? How did it feel? Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. I have taken a ride on an elephant. Which animal have you sat on? Write their name. I sat on camel and an elephant. Why do you think the egret is sitting on the buffalo? Children, as you can see in this picture, egret is sitting on the buffalo. Egret को हम बोलते हैं सफेद बुगला. The main reason why an egret sit on a buffalo is to eat flies, grasshopper, and other pests on the buffalo. By this way, the egret gets its food as well as buffalo gets rid of germs and dirt. Hence, it's a mutual benefit for both. Children, in this picture, you can see इग्रिट क्या करता है, जो बुफेलो के ऊपर जर्म्स, ग्रास ऊपर पेस्ट होते हैं उनको खा लेता है, जिससे कि बुफेलो की स्किन क्लियर हो जाती है और इग्रिट को क्या मिलता है, खाना मिलता है। मतलब एक दूसरे को दोनों बेनिफिट कर रहे हैं। द एनिमल विच इज राइडिंग, इग्रिट स्पैरो इज राइडिंग, एनिमल विच गिव राइड्स, buffalo give rides. Which animal do we use for carrying loads? There are several animals: horse, elephant, camel, ox, etc. Next is, what do they say? चिल्ड्रन, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को हम लोग पिंजरे में बंद कर लेते हैं, बास्केट में रखते हैं, तो वो उसमें रहकर बहुत अच्छा फील नहीं करते। यहाँ पर वही दिखाया गया है कि कैसे एनिमल फील करते हैं, वो एक दूसरे एनिमल को अपनी फीलिंग्स बता रहे हैं। Look at these pictures and read what these animals are sharing with their friends. First is this: the basket is the only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is the only basket and the snake charmer. ये एक बास्केट है जो स्नेक चार्मर के पास रहती है, सपेरे के पास, जिसमें क्या करते हैं वो लोग स्नेक को पकड़ के रखते हैं। तो स्नेक कैसा फील करता है, उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता, वो अपने जंगल को मिस करता है। Second is, you see me in circus dancing and jumping through rings of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all this? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. ये देखो फीलिंग थी बियर की कि हम उसको डांस सर्कस में यूज करते हैं, डांसिंग जंपिंग करता है। अगर वो ये सब नहीं करेगा तो उसका जो ओनर होता है वो उसको खाना नहीं देता। Next is, you have only seen how fast I run. Have you ever seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horseshoes to my hooves? चिल्ड्रन, जो हॉर्स होते हैं हम उनके पैरों में इस तरह के शूज फिक्स करते हैं, तो हॉर्स ये बोल रहा है कि जब वो मेरे पैरों में शूज फिक्स करते हैं तो मुझे बहुत पेन होता है। नेक्स्ट इज, they make us dance and dance and dance, even if we do not want to or we are in pain. That too, with an empty stomach. मंकी क्या करते हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं कि पीपुल क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ उनको डांस 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 करने के लिए बोलते रहते हैं। सम टाइम उनका मन भी नहीं करता, तब भी उनको डांस करना पड़ता है। Next is meow meow meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Children love me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk. Next is gutru gutru. Do you know people specially call out to me to feed grain? So children, ये बहुत सारे एनिमल्स की फीलिंग्स थी, वो कैसा फील करते हैं जब उन्हें हम पकड़ के रख लेते हैं। Question answer related to this topic. You have read what these animals say. Why do you think that some of them are sad? They are sad because many people catch them and use them for their own benefit, because of which they are deprived of freedom. उनको फ्रीडम नहीं मिल पाती है और वो अच्छा नहीं फील करते हैं। How do you think they are different? The monkey that dance to entertain people and the monkey that are free. Monkey that dance to entertain people do not enjoy freedom, as they are caught and are used by the people for their own benefit. So they feel sad. But the monkeys that are free and live in forest are happy. They do whatever they like. They can go wherever they want. जो जंगल में है वो फ्री है, वो कहीं पर भी जा सकते हैं, और जो ऐसे एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए हम लोग मंकी को पकड़ते हैं वो कहीं नहीं जा सकते, उनको फ्रीडम नहीं फील होती है। हाउ मेनी लेग्स डज दिस एलिफेंट हैज? एलिफेंट हैज 4 legs. Next is some practice question related to this chapter. Elephant sleeps for dash day. 2 to 4 hours in a day. Question number 2. A normal 3-month-old baby elephant weigh about is 200 KZ. Elephant move around in a group called herd. Elephants love to play in dash to cool their body. It is mud. Elephants love to play in mud to cool their bodies. Next are question answer. When do male elephant leave the herd? When they were 14 to 15 years old. What is a herd? Who are the member of an elephant herd? A group of elephant is called a herd. An elephant herd has mainly female and baby elephant. Why do elephants love to play in mud and water? Elephants love to play in mud and water to make their body cool. How do elephants use their big ears? Elephant flap its big ears to use them as a fan. Match the pictures in column A with the activity in column B. In column A, these are some activity, and in column B, the activity done by the animal. This is the first one, elephant playing. Second is elephant drinking water. Third is elephant feeding themselves. And fourth is elephant cooling themselves. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.